Alright, good evening everybody. I am out here on my first trip since my nose surgery, and as I said in my fly tying video, I wanted to go ahead and give it a try, and got about an hour and a half or so, and I came up to one of my favorite spots to look for wild brook trout, and we're going to try a couple different things here, but mainly I'm going to start with a nymph called the pink firecracker that I made up on my own, which is basically just a bunch of pink dubbing ripped around the bead head on a hook. So they seemed to like that last year, so we're going to see what happens and try to catch them up. Yeah. Alright, my equipment today is going to be my shorter rod, my Aaaand Crisium 7-foot rod. Let's see if you can see that there. There we go. I love this little thing for these little creeks. It works really well, and definitely able to get into tight spots. Got my Aaaand 3-weight reel here as well, and the rod's a 3-weight as well. And then what we're doing is going to do an indicator thingamabobber type thing there, and then here's the pink firecracker right there. Got a copper bead head on a nymph hook, and that's it. So we'll see what happens. All right, there we go. Very cool, nice little native wild brookie. Love that. Alrighty, there you go. Alright, another little brookie to net. Very cool. My made up fly, the pink firecracker, is working pretty good here. That's pretty awesome. Get him back in the water. Beauty. Just hooked up with number 3 here. Another mini-me, looking awesome. Yeah, man. There he is. Very cool. They're liking that fly. Look at the paw marks on that guy. I'll get him out. Check it out closer. Alright, that's a beauty right there. Paw marks galore. I love it. Man. That's a pretty fish. Alright, just hooked up with another little guy. Beautiful little brookie. Gotta get in there so you can see him. Another beautiful paw mark guy. That's awesome. Really good looking fish. Alright, what a beautiful little brookie. That's one pretty little fish right there. My favorite. Alrighty, buddy. Get you back in there. Later.
just hooked up with another. He's a little bigger. He might be the biggest of the day. I think we might have a winner here. All right. There he is. All right. Let's see what we have here. Sweet. All right. That's a nice looking brook trout. Yeah, buddy. Cool deal. Nice. All right. What a beautiful fish. He is nice. Nice long one. Look at those colors. Man. That is sweet. Alrighty, buddy. Later. Alright, well that's going to wrap it up. Had a couple more hit and they hopped off, unfortunately. But pretty good outing for about an hour and a half. I really had a good time. Really enjoyed getting out after dealing with all that nose stuff. So, and had some success. Had I think it was 5 to net, so that's pretty cool. Good deal. We will be back up at some point to try this again. This is a lot of fun. It's a lot of fun to stalk these little guys. They are pretty spooky, so you have to be real quiet and careful. So it's a fun little challenge, and I really enjoy catching them. They're a beautiful fish for sure. So thanks for tuning in again to Gibby Vet Outdoors. I appreciate it, and hope you all have the best of luck with the upcoming fish season, and catch them up. See ya.